What's up guys, welcome back to Ride with Thumper. Today we're going to show you how to load a motorcycle into the back of a truck. You're going to need a ramp and 3 tie downs. For this video I've chosen my heaviest bike, my 2000 Suzuki Intruder 1400, weighs well over 500 pounds. And we'll be loading it in the back of this Ford Ranger. The first thing you're going to want to do when loading a bike into a truck is you're going to want to park the truck in a way to make it as easy as possible. What I mean by that is you're going to put the back tires down in a dip, preferably backed up to a hill like your driveway. If you can't do that, other things you could do is back up to a drop-off of some sort, a retaining wall. Some people do that. Now we're down here at the back of the truck. We're going to take our ramp, put it on the tailgate, but most importantly, we're going to strap it. Our strap is going to get connected right where safety chains would normally if you were towing. The next step is optional, but I like to use a step to help me get up into the truck. Just makes it a little bit easier stepping up with the bike. Now on the bike side of things, what we're gonna do is start up the bike, put it in first gear, and let the motor do all the work pushing it up the ramp. All right, now we're ready to put the bike up in the truck. So first thing, we're gonna start it. Then we're gonna put it in first gear. Oh, it's already in first gear, okay. We're gonna roll towards it. You don't need to get a ton of speed. Now see, at this point right here, this is where I'm gonna use the motor to push it up. Now see, that was a piece of cake. I didn't have to push basically at all. It's just a matter of using the front brake, the clutch, and a little bit of throttle. Now that we've got the bike up in the bed, it's time to strap it down. So first thing I'm going to start with, I like to start with having it on the kickstand and using the right side strap first. Then just snug it up some. Then get the other strap on. You'll notice I'm using straps. These are Rhino USA straps. They have a soft tie down that goes through. My preferred method is to attach them at the triple clamp. Now that they're both on, I'm going to tilt the bike up and go back to this side. Until the bike is upright. Then we're gonna come back, snug down this side. The bike is solid, you see that? No wiggle, no wiggle. Lastly, it's very, very, very important to put your ends, your loose ends away. Thanks for tuning in again. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.